What up? How you doing? I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. It's time for Sukoda, and Sukoda is coming with another video which is called Butterflie Fauxlocs. And so I feel like why not doing it, because I've been having some messages here and there on my Instagram platform, Instagram hair platform Salon Sukoda, where I've been having some DMs here and there telling me why not trying butterfly fauxlocs. So I feel like why not? It's not impossible. It's definitely possible to do it. So I checked out on my girl, my little sister. Her name is Emily. She's a beautiful, cute butterfly herself. And so I feel like, hey, why not inviting her? Why not just having her on the show to try on this amazing hairstyle? So I'm not gonna take too much of your time. Make sure that you give it lots of likes. I need to see. Make sure you give us some comments. I need to see your comments, because that literally helps me to know how to go forward. I mean, like, good critics are really, really good. So I'm on board on that. And so anything else, really share as much as you can. If you like hair tutorials and you feel like, hey, and you want me to go even deeper on certain other stuff, don't hesitate. Make sure that you just holler at me, let me know. I will surely come through on that one. So attache-toi, attache ta ceinture, and don't go anywhere. It's coming right now. So, how did you find the style? I loved it. I really loved it. I've been having a lot of DMs, just telling me on my Snapchat that, ooh, that's beautiful. I want this. I want that. Like, anyway, too many comments on that one. But so just to let you know that hairstyle took me quite some time, because you need to start braiding the hair, and the hair that I use is Expression, right? It was this Expression, and she went for the color 30. I actually thought like she was gonna go, she tried to look for the curly hair, same color, but unfortunately she couldn't find it. So you need to start with the Expression first. I just feel like some people are trying. Some people are trying to do halfway and leave the bits hanging. Basically not braiding. It's not that easy, honestly. Like because you need something to hold on to, so it's basically a little bit hard, so you can be able to twist all around. So if the hair that you're holding is not a bit hard-ish, like it makes it a little bit difficult to to wrap all around and stuff. So you kind of need to braid till the end, or wherever the length that way you want to go to. Yeah, it's very important. So obviously this is the curly hair that she went to purchase, and this is Aftress bulk ultimo. So you can see that one, but this is it, and that is color T30, and it's water bulk. So if that is what you want to go for, you can go. The tighter the curly, the better it is, especially when you're wrapping around. You need that little, apart from the curly hair, you need your blow dryer. It's very important. You can't start your hair without blow drying. Honestly, it helps a lot. If you're not, I know you're trying to minimize heat, and honestly you're not going to use heat until your hair really gets damaged, probably after a month or two. So you're not using enough. But when it comes to doing hair, it's best to stretch up the hair as much as possible and do your hair. You need your hair sheen and the oil sheen conditioner spray, and mine is Motion, one of my best products. Next product is gummy wax, and I know not everyone likes gummy, right? Why? Well, everyone has their own opinion. Some say it's like it gets flaky. Honestly, it gets flaky if you're using too much. If you're using too much of it, that's when it gets flaky. But it's really good, especially for afro hair. It really sticks the hair. But to me, it helps me to grab the hair, and it just to have it steady. Let's just say that. So, Gummy. Apart from that, obviously, you need your comb, rectal comb, especially. You need your brush. Like that is for your expression, especially if you're pulling. You need that. And last but not least, you need your crochet stick. And the crochet stick is good because like you need to insert the hair inside the braid that has already been done, so you need the crochet stick. Other elements that I've used for the hair is hair clippers. You need your hair clippers. I mean, I have this in silver, I have another one in black, and this one I found it in Superdrug, the other one just Hair Shop. And these are really good to keep your hair not intervening in the hair that you're already doing. Honestly, it's really good. I was using what's it called, Salon Pro hair bonding glue, only because that helps in towards the end. Like if you're curling your hair towards the end, and you need to finish it somehow. So what I do is like I go towards the end and I'm wrapping it back up a little bit, and that part is where I'm adding the glue and then just wrapping the rest of the hair around it and just kind of tighten it all together. That's how it sticks all together. Apart from that, I use this gel towards the end just for the what's it called, the edge control. Very important when you're doing your hair and you know you're going to a hairdresser or you're probably at home to moisturize your hair. I can't shout that more enough. Like it's very, very, very important. So one of the product I'm using currently is called Natural Melanin Cosmetic, and it is this one. And the CEO, the founder of this product, her name is Jessica Dembo. I mean, she's an amazing entrepreneur. She just started on this amazing product, and I'm using it on all my customers. And that is just like to enhance your hair, to bring more vitamins. Like there's so much like in this product. It's crazy. So I just wanted to enhance and to really shout out to her. So if you need a product like for your hair, whether you are African, Caucasian, mixed, wherever your background, just holla at me or holla at her. I'll put all the details below. I hope you really like this video, honestly, because it was a banger. I'm gonna see you next time on my next video. Please tell me the things that you really want me to do, whether it's just hair, whether it's like a topic specific that you want me to touch on, and whatever it is, honestly, whether it's sport, whether it's challenges, whatever it is that you feel like, hey Gracia, can you try? Like I'll definitely consider, I'll consider your opinion, and probably not and why not doing it, you know what I mean? Like that's basically it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really on my next video. Stay tuned and we'll wrap it. Deuces.